I'm Hoopsmiles, and I'm gonna test and review this smart hula hoop right here. So with that said, let's get to it. Now before testing out the smart hoop, let's see what's inside the box. Here's the main components of this smart hoop, which also came with a contact card and instructions. Now I'm gonna show you how to put this smart hoop together. To add more pieces, the easiest way to do so is to locate these black latches and unlatch them. And then once you unlatch them, you can easily just pull the hoop apart just like that. And the pieces you wanna add, you can go ahead and just line up the little pegs and snap them together. Keep adding pieces until it is big enough to fit around your body. Then you take this piece and line the wheels up so it slides right into the hoop, and then you go ahead and snap it into place and connect it together. Then attach the metal clip and the included weight to the end of the rope. Now I'm gonna do a demonstration using this smart hula hoop. So basically, if I go ahead and just take this centrifugal ball, this weighted piece in my hand like this, I can just toss it around my body and then move my body to keep this thing spinning. So there it is. This is what this smart hula hoop looks like in action. Something something else I could do while doing this is if I kind of move my body a little faster, I can get that centrifugal ball to spin faster as well. And as I get it to go really fast, you might even be able to hear the sound of it. It definitely gets a lot louder when I spin it this fast like this. And when I am spinning it this fast, it does seem like I am getting a workout when doing this. Also, something else I can do with this smart hula hoop right here is I can also try to walk with this thing. So I can kind of walk forward, can also walk backwards, maybe even do some side steps, you know, with this thing. And I also feel like it may even be possible to dance a little bit. So there you have it. There's a look at this smart hula hoop in action. I felt for the most part, you know, this thing felt pretty comfortable as I was spinning it around my body. And definitely when I got this thing to go faster, it definitely seemed to take more energy. Tell me what you think. Go down in the comments section and let me know what your thoughts are about this smart hula hoop so far. Other things I want to mention about this smart hula hoop right here. First off, the build quality. When I look at this thing, it does appear to be primarily made of plastic. Now there was an occasion where I did drop this on the ground and it didn't break. But I haven't done that many tests with this smart hula hoop, so it would be interesting to see what the long-term durability is of this thing. Another thing I wanted to mention about this smart hula hoop right here, if I bring this up closer to the camera here, notice these little spring-like cushions. Personally, I like the spring-like cushions on this smart hoop. I have tried another auto spinning hoop on the market, and I didn't feel like that one was as comfortable as this smart hula hoop. Something else to point out about this smart hula hoop is its sizing. So it only came with a certain amount of extra pieces to attach to this thing. So there are some sizing limitations. In this footage right here, I have all the extra pieces attached to the smart hula hoop as I am wearing it around my body. But as you can see, this smart hula hoop only gets big enough to a certain point. But what do you think? Get down to the comments section and let me know your thoughts about this smart hula hoop. And if you want to know more about this smart hula hoop or you want to buy this smart hula hoop, I did put a link in the description of this video to do so. And if you want to check out more smart hula hoop videos that I made, check out some of these videos right here. And I also put some video links in the description of this video.